So we're just going to catch up about the class project. So the main issue that's arisen in the last week or so is the fact that the builder says he's still at least 3 weeks away from starting. So he said 3 to 4 weeks away. How I think we should approach this is get as much done as we can in that time. So I went back to the demolition guy because I've had his updated scope, but I haven't had his price. And so he rang me while I was in getting my COVID tests.
The demolition guy told me he had a 7 to 10 day lead time. So we should be able to get started.
Yeah. So I think by the time we get the demolition guy in, then we'll be ready for Luke. And what I've decided to do, if we get to that point, we're getting close and he pushes a day out, I'm going to talk to him about paying him a bonus to push us up the priority list. Because what I want to do is to make sure that we hit the market this side of Christmas.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was wondering about that.
Yeah, so basically what I want to do is get all our eggs in a row, get the demolition done, and be ready for him. And then if he's still not ready, then we will look at that from another direction. So you guys have got the landscaping under control, but the things that I think that we need to think about, like I was wondering whether I could bring a carpenter in to fill in those windows in between times. Because I know I'm going to talk to Rebecca because she has a carpenter that might be able to do it. I don't think we can do the deck first up because it'll get ruined when they're doing that work at the back of the house. So I think we have to wait for that. But things like the roller door, painting the garage, painting the roof, I think they're all things that we could do now.
There's some guttering around that side of the house, the side, not the driveway side, the other side that possibly needs replacing.
Okay.
I've got a photo of it that I can send to you.
Right. So if I chase down those contractors and look, they can go and look for themselves, but I will need to lean on you to just make sure that they're doing what they need to be doing.
I'm happy to meet them there.
Right.
It was the plumber just gave me a half-hour window. That he was the only one I couldn't meet because he had a half-hour time frame and I was going to be at work.
Yeah.
So,
Well, so he's already done the disconnect. We have to get Darren to do his disconnect, which I'll talk to him this afternoon. And
so the plumber actually did turn up, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I did have my doubts.
No, and it's all set. As far as he's concerned, it's set for demo.
Okay, yeah, because that's why I was trying to get in touch with the other day. I thought, look, if he's not going to turn up, I've got a plumber that could just go and do the disconnect.
Great. Thank you for that.
Well, there's a company here that they're not cheap for one-offs.
I know. It's just a matter of getting it done. So thanks for that.
Yeah.
The other thing we can do is get rid of that carport.
Oh, yeah.
I'll list that on Marketplace and I've had a bit of a look. They're not getting great prices, but even a couple of $100 can go into the kitty for keeping the trays fed and watered.
Do you want me to put that on Facebook Marketplace? Because then people can just contact me and can go over there. So 200, do you think? Or
maybe buy 3 and see if we can get 3. And what do you think? No, but they'll usually be.
I sold the kitchen for $50. Don't ask me.
And the other thing is that stove in the kitchen.
Stove, yeah. Put that on.
Yeah, thanks.
So, how much for that, do you think?
Well, one down here for 200, but mine was gas. I'll just have a look and see what sort of prices they're getting. Yeah. Oh, there's a luxury one for $315. So yeah, definitely 200.
Yeah. Okay. I'll have a bit of a look anyway.
Yeah, and look, if someone makes an offer, take it. Like, we're not going to get too precious about it. The other thing is, when you do it, if you send me the listing, I will also put it on Gumtree. So to make sure that we're getting maximum exposure. So I'm getting quotes from David to do the floor plans for the bathrooms because I do feel that they need to be done, like we need pretty good plans.
Yeah.
And so I should have that today. I'm just going to get approval for that just to make sure I'm on the right side of the group, and I have done the kitchen one, and I think it's good to go. So I think I've been watching out for secondhand kitchens. I want to be a bit fussy about it because I think the kitchen needs to be important. It's important, and I've done the plan for it on the Bunnings site. So my next thing is to get a quote from them.